Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will explain Science Chapter 5 Energy and Matter. So let's start. In the first page, the definition of energy is given. So it is very important line. The SQ may come what is called energy. So you have to underline this one. Energy is the ability to do things. We use energy in everything that we do. We use energy to walk to school and to ride a bicycle. We need energy to run a computer or to cook our food. A car uses energy to run. Energy can change the form or position of something. There are some forms of energy, like electrical energy. This energy is used to run electric appliances such as fan, TV, light, washing machine, etc. Mechanical energy, the form of energy that a moving object has. Wine can be an example of mechanical energy because it can run windmill. Energy of a moving car is also mechanical energy. Light energy, the energy that can create different types of light and helps us to see, is called light energy. It passes through transparent matter. We get light energy from sun, electric light, candle, etc. Sound energy, the energy that helps us to hear, is called sound energy. Sound comes from the vibration of objects. It travels through air or other matter. We use it to enjoy music. Thermal or heat energy. Heat is a form of energy. We get heat energy from the fire of stove or electric iron. Mechanical energy. Mechanical energy remains stored in food, fuel, coil, etc. This table you have to learn because it can come like BQ. Now, sources of energy. You have observed that energy is used in various work in different ways. We get energy from different sources. Sometimes energy comes from coal, oil, or food, and sometimes it comes from wind or water current. Sometimes we get energy from battery or generator. We get heat, light, electricity, sound energy from those sources. If we observe closely, we found that the main source of all energy is the sun. It is important line. You have to mark it down. Sorry, not this one. This one. This one. Now we will read summary. Energy can be changed from one form to another. The change of energy from one form to another is known as energy transformation. You have to underline energy transformation because it can come askew like what is energy transformation. So it is very important line. For example, we get solar energy directly as light and heat, but solar energy can change its form. When plants make food by themselves, they change the light energy from the sun to chemical energy. When animals eat these plants as food, they change the stored chemical energy into heat and mechanical energy. Solar panels can change light energy into electrical energy. When we switch on TV, electrical energy is changed into light, heat, and sound energy. The pictures has been shown. Summary: energy can be transferred from one place to another in many ways. Transfer of heat. Transfer of heat is the flow of thermal energy from warmer place to cooler place. It is an important line too. The SQ may come. What is heat transfer? So you have to underline it. Thermal energy is transferred through three different processes: conduction, convection, and radiation. Conduction. Transfer of heat through solid matter is called conduction. You have to underline this one also. The SQ may come. What is called conduction? For example, if we place a metal spoon in the hot water, soon it begins to feel hot. This is because the spoon is heated by hot water and then the heat spreads to the colder end of the spoon. Convection. Transfer of heat energy through the gases and liquids is called convection. You have to underline this one also. The CQ may come. What is called convection? For example, when we put a pot of water on a stove, the heated water near the bottom of the pot rises to the top of water. Instead, the cold water near the top sinks to the bottom of the pot, and then it is heated and rises to the top. Through this process, heat spread from top to the bottom of the pot. Radiation. Radiation is the process in which energy is emitted from a source without any medium. You have to underline this one also because SQ may come. What is called radiation? Conduction can work through solids and convection can work through liquids and gases, but radiation can even work without any medium. This is why we feel the heat of the sun even though it is millions of kilometers away in space. With the same process, we feel the heat from fire or light bulbs. Transfer of light. Light is a form of energy that helps us to see. Light travels as radiation. Light can transfer without any medium such as solids, liquids, and gases. Light does not need any medium to transfer. This is how light from the sun, the moon, and stars reaches the earth. Proper use and saving of energy. Why is saving energy important? We use energy in many work every day. Most of the energy we depend on come from non-renewable energy resources such as oil, coal, and natural gas. They cannot be replaced once we use them up. Therefore, we have to use energy resource wisely. Wasting energy is not good for the environment. By saving energy, we can help to preserve energy resources and prevent pollutions. So it is very important. We will not waste energy. Try to save them. How to save energy? Here are a few ideas of what you can do to save more energy. Turning off lights and appliances when you are not using them. Do not leave the refrigerator door open any longer than you need. Plant trees to help shade houses on hot summer days. Open the curtains and use the sunlight instead of turning on the lights. Walk or use bicycle instead of using car as much as possible. Structure of matter. Matter is anything that has weight and takes up space. You have to underline it because CQ may come what is called matter. Everything around us is matter, even the things that we cannot see, such as air. Summary. All matter is made up of very tiny particles that we cannot see with the naked eyes. Those tiny particles are called atoms. You have to underline this one also. Two or more atoms makes molecule. A molecule is a group that is made up of two or more atoms joined together. You have also underlined this one because CQ may come what is called molecule. A matter is the collection of innumerable molecules. States of matter. Matter can exist in three states: solids, liquids, and gases. The state of a matter depends on arrangement and the bonding among the molecule of that matter. For example, water is a matter and also consists of innumerable molecules. Those molecules are always in motion. In solids like water, molecules are closely bound to one another in place. In liquids like water, the molecules are quite close together, but they have a little space to move around. In gases like vapor, the molecules are spread very far apart. They are randomly arranged and are constantly moving freely at high speed. So you have to underline from solids to high speed because CQ may come write three statements of states of matter. So in the exercise, the first answer will be wind. Second answer will be second question is, what energy do plants mainly use to make food by themselves? Answer will be heat energy. Third question is, which energy does a food have? The answer will be chemical energy. So that's all for today, but don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you.